This is my new addition to my therapy. It's a cupping device. It's plastic, and you can get it from Amazon. $20. It's worth its weight in gold. I put a little olive oil on it. I spread the olive oil out, and then I cup and I rub and cup and massage. I put suction on it just enough to get it to stick, and then rub it across. Once it gets stuck, and I move it, and I can rub it. The idea is to add more force. Instead of peppering it like salt and pepper, you spread it like butter. So all of these areas I have to pain. Actually feels good. So I grab it. So the needles can't pick out the little webs of, it's like a spider's web in my vision. So you can get the spider, but the webs are there. So once the webs stay there, they just regrow. It's like a cancer. So you break them up and you let Mother Nature clean them up. Trigeminal neuralgia, the treatment. No knives, no medications, no dope, no waiting. You can do this today. The issue is that once you get started, it may be super sensitive, but if you can work through it, great. If you have needles, do them both and you get a better result. But just start massage, needles, this, and you use them throughout the day, just like you would if you go to the bathroom or drink some water, because you're dancing with Mother Nature. If you think you're doing it properly, based on 3 times a day, 4 times a day, that's only for medications, only. And I'm getting a little sizzle here, but it's very faint. And that's it. I'll do some few needles later. Have a good day.